Hey there, business owners. Let me ask you something. Does your brand truly reflect your business? Or does it feel a little all over the place? If your website, social media, and marketing materials don't feel consistent, professional, or aligned, it might be time for a brand audit. That's why I developed the Brand Audit Bootcamp, a hands-on workshop where we'll evaluate, refine, and elevate your brand so it actually works for you. You'll learn how to identify gaps in your branding and fix them fast, create a cohesive look that attracts the right audience, align your messaging, visuals, and online presence for maximum impact. And don't worry, you don't have to do it alone. I'll guide you through the process step by step. You'll walk away with a clear action plan that strengthens your brand immediately. This workshop is perfect for new businesses building a brand from scratch or established businesses looking to refresh and realign. If you're ready to make sure your brand stands out, attracts the right people, and feels completely aligned to your business, join me for the Brand Audit Bootcamp. I can't wait to help you build a brand that truly works for you.